Let's get started, future affiliate marketers. Today marks the beginning of a transformative journey, a journey from the constraints of a 9 to 5 to the freedom of earning on your own terms through affiliate marketing. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. First, let me introduce you to Affiliate Mastery, Unlocking the Secrets to Online Wealth. This book is your first step. Priced at just $195, it's crafted to help beginners understand the basics of affiliate marketing, from choosing the right niches to launching your first campaigns. As you grow more confident, Passive Profits, the Smart Marketer's Guide to Earning with Affiliates, will be your next milestone. For $295, this guide explores advanced passive income strategies through SEO, content marketing, and social media, perfect for those who've mastered the basics and are ready to expand. And for those aiming for the top, Elite Affiliate Strategies, From Beginner to Boss in Digital Marketing, is the ultimate guide. At $495, this book delves into complex marketing theories and applies them to affiliate marketing, teaching you how to select networks, promote across platforms, and optimize campaigns for maximum profit. Each book is a step on your path to success. Choose your starting point and advance at your own pace. Click the link in my bio to select your book and start transforming your approach to business today. Embrace the journey to financial freedom. Start now and don't look back. Remember to like and subscribe for more insights into growing your online business. Achieve your dreams with the right knowledge and a solid strategy. See you next time.